Hello, friends, and welcome to this important news update from DCC Immigration. The Canadian immigration authorities seem to be totally focused on meeting their planned immigration targets for this year as more express entry draws continue to take place. Just one day after a provincial nominee class draw took place, there was another draw today. Let us take a look at the results of today's draw. Another draw, which is express entries draw number 179, has taken place on March 18th. In the latest draw, the Canadian government has issued 5,000 invitations to apply for permanent residence. The minimum score required to secure an invite in this draw is 449. It must be noted that this is a program-specific draw and candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class only were invited in this draw. This is the second express entry draw in 2 days and the third draw of March 2021. The previous express entry draw took place yesterday on March 17th, in which 183 invitations were issued and the cutoff score in that draw was 682. That draw was also a program-specific draw and candidates from the provincial nominee class only were invited in that draw. Although this is another disappointing draw for candidates belonging to the federal skilled worker class, however, there could be a silver lining to this cloud. Regular draws mean that the number of candidates in the express entry pool does not go too high, and when FSW draws start again, then the cutoff score could come down after a few draws. Another important thing worth noting here is that the previous CEC draw took place on February 13th, in which all CEC candidates from the pool were invited. This means that within a month, 5,000 candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class have joined the pool just in the 449 and above bracket. The tiebreak in the latest draw has been set at February 19th, 2021, 15:59:57 UTC time, which means that all candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class and with scores 450 and above, as well as those with scores 449 who submitted their profiles to the express entry pool before the tiebreak date and time, will receive an invitation to apply in this draw. Now, let us take a quick look at the express entry pool of candidates as on March 15th, 2021. The table shows that there are now more than 29,000 candidates in the range of 451 to 500, which means that for the cutoff score to drop below 450 in an all-program draw, there has to be large-sized all-program draws from now on. To read the full news and further details, please head to DCC Immigration's Facebook page. If you like this video, then please like it and share with other people who may benefit from information given here. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to DCC Immigration's YouTube channel. So until next time, stay tuned.